Hi guys, hello, my collaborator. Hello, my 2%. Hello, my 2% amahle. Hello, guys. How are you guys doing? How is everybody doing? How are you? Kwezindawo ezinikuzo nenzani nobani nithini? Ninjani guys? Niyaphila apho? Moleni bethunana. Siyanibulisa ke sana, siyanibulisa. How viva Brigadier. Things are getting crazy. It is some it is like crazy, crazy. Things are getting interesting by the day, guys. Things are getting out of hand. Things are getting out of hand. It is not even funny. It is not even funny anymore, Kesana. It is not even funny. Ha? Habo kininda. Habo baloyi bayenzani guys zelana? Guys abo baloyi bathembeni. Inoba kwenzeka ntoni guys kule court? Hey, mihlola. Kimihlola ngiyatshela, kimihlola. Webana, siphi apha? Guys, kimihlola. Guys, khaningeneni sihlekeni. Hayi kuningi sana. Yo, guys. Hello, Titizela. Hello, family. Hi, guys. How are you doing? Hi, guys. Guys, kuningi. Kuningi. Molweni. Hello, CK. How are you doing, ma'am? Hi, guys. Hello, Muhles. Ngikubonile, Muhles. Ngikubonile. Ngiyakwazi wena. Awuva. Guys, sanibonani imigulukudu yami emihle, sanibonani imigulukudu yami emihle. Bovebathizimo. Sanibonani bovebathizimo. Sanibonani bocomprise. Sanibonani bocorroborate. Sanibonani boprudent. Sanibona boma 2%. Sanibonani bocorrelate. Sanibonani ninjani guys, ninjani. Molweni. Wanda M, you come to the right place. You better put your light there. Molweni boma 2%. Molweni boma verbatism. Molweni boma corroborate. Molweni manina bo prudent in essence. Sanibonani boma 2%. Sanibonani boma asket. Sanibonani bo this one. You are a mere police. Molweni ninjani kunjani lapho? Ngicela mawungena ngaphakathi mkulukudu wami. Kulukudu ilike yakho makube njalo. Molweni family. Nokhani nge-like emnyango xa ningena idolo lenu makube ngu-like kuloo ndawo. Siyanicela please 20 people why 18 people why ninga-like? Like honey live so that sizobiza abanye bethuna like honey live guys kushushu ekhoti kuyatshisa enkantolo guys kuyatshisa enkantolo ngase ndimuthi ugini ngibuze are you alright sir, are you alright? Ngifuna ukuya kuthi kugini angimbethi but ngiyamvuthulula nje ngibuze kuhle lapho baba uright kahle imimoya yabo iphansi ngathi kunomuntu othe usibani ushonile why nakukwazi did I add okay why imimoya yabo iphansi Kwenzekaleni kule 3 hours? Something happened nge-3 hours, guys. Ukwazi utheni engaveli? Didn't I add her? Why ikhona mani into eyenzekile? Ikhona into eyenzekile, guys. Noma ngazi ukwazi makaphinde request. I don't know why engangena kayanga. Hello Ntutuzelo, hello CK, hello Muhles, MTS, hi. Oh, okay, delayed.
Wa.
Mami, semuhle. Hello to me. Asemuhle. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Sana uyayazi ubani ozoba ne-full day. Umaluleka is gonna have a full day ke sana. Angekhe ungena kaSidwabi sikalithuli. Ngeke sifinde bazohlanya. Unkosikazi wabo muhle.
Stop.
Jehova bazohlanya. Into abazoyihlanya Nkosana Ofefe. Ithi ngifake ithini lanto, do not disturb is on. Okay, I hope no calls come through. Yes, Jehovah, I hope no call is going to be able to come through. Oh, because wow, kwazi get you the courtesies.
Ukininda guys unenkinga ye-English ne?
It's no longer a joke. Unenkinga yesingesi. Unenkinga yokusifunda. Unenkinga ye-pronunciation.
Nangaphandle kokusifunda. Imaphi lamagama afika nawo ukininda?
Ucreative.
Hayibo.
Ungithuse makaphinde ebiza uverbatism. Ngathi hayibona sivanga simkhuza.
Ucompromised wona?
Hayi wena ucomprise.
I'm like, it's either consisted of or comprised, not compromised.
Mamela, ngiwabhalile verbatism, compromise, comprise, collaborate.
Corroborate. Kininda, it's corroborate. It's not collaborate. Two, it's it's verbatim, not verbatism.
Like why Pinda get trust out? Did you hear him? Ingathi kuba ngcono masisiva a word for the first time from him ne. Mara makaliphinda after simkhuzile uyangimangaza. Test out ke ntombi. Test out usho verbatism. Ngathi hayi.
At this point, I'm just like, icona. Anyway, Halloween, guys. I didn't even greet the rest of the people. Halloween. Nonke no 93 noma ningalike. Cela nilike any live itu.
Ewe mabalike live ithi ngicime imbiza le bengiyipheka kwenzela ingathi iniphazamisi. Ngicela ufunde ngiphele kuMuhlezi ukuthi webesithi hello Noni ngiphele kuye ukufunda.
Umuhlezi.
You won't see them Kanele because usandongena. Sorry kwazi.
Oh, ngiyambona. MTS says cooking went wrong about cell phones. I lay my cell phone vele wrong. Utumi says hello Noni, hello to me. Mushe says no, not me.
It was you.
Wanda M says, missed the proceedings. Happy to see you. Please sort me out. Don't worry, we got you. Oh, Godfrey says, knock, knock. Guy like. Hey, sis Nonza. Hi, Godfrey. Guys, please like the live. Mandla says, Sawubona 2%. Kay says, I'm embarrassed for the state and Gininda. Shame. Cross is going to be interesting. Kuzonyiwa. Bamise says, Unjani Noni Omuhle, I missed this proceeding. Can't wait for your commentary. I have liked the live as always. First thing I do. Thank you so much. Letabo says, South Africa. Okay. Doka says, hi Noni, ngingene live. Thank you so much. Indlu iyawa 4:10. Namsha says, Namhlanje, we added compromise to the list of his words, LLB. Wanda says, Auntie CK, hello, long time. Good to see you here. Azania. Irene says, hi, ladies. Gingenenge like Izanazo Sana. I can't wait. Hi, Noni and Kwazi. Hi, Bongegile. Shirley says, hi, ladies. Gingenengo like Kwame. Thank you so much. Kona bangangeningo like. Kona njelele 59. Ekolozayo ngokulike. Angazi kwenzalani. Kwenzalani vele. Kwenzalani. What's going on? Ukoskorize is a Koskorizer. Uti judgments have been pre-written already. Defense must start preparing an appeal documents. Wanda M says creme work. Lindy Way sanibona zingeleyo izwe lithini ngodeni no official mekunje. Pretty. Hello. You're here, Kwazi. Thank you so much. Mpilenhle says bomzala niyazi senginibheke lutho niyaphila. Senginibheke lutho niyaphila. Yes, siyaphila. Nolwandle. Hi ladies. Hi. Godfrey, what about carrots instead of Carlos? Ucarlos. Caros, ubhale uCaros kwi-confession vele. uCaros. It's Caros. Kubhalwe kanjalo kwi-confession. Athi unet, he irritates the crap out of me when he mispronounces words. Azanya says, has twisted mind, sure. Shubi says, hi sis Noni, hi. Ubongekile says, chest out verbatism. Nazi naba. Yabonga. Valda says, hello, lovely ladies. Hello. Hello, my bae. Hi, Wanda. Nozugo says, hello, bo my 2%. Hello, your legend. Bo kininda bami molweni. Hi, your legend. Utia says, woniwe yini umoya wabo phansi kangaka, umoya wabo uphansi kangaka. Mosho umlungu wasekuseni. Koskarizer says G is not having reading problem but wants to convince the court that the statement was written by illiterate suspects. But the thing is they didn't write the confessions themselves. They were articulating and there was a person that was writing. So there's no way that those mistakes were made by all accused. Keta says, guys, someone do the bank statements show ID number and cell phone number? Now that you mention it.
I used to work at Nedbank, even here ke yokuthi sakhe sasebenza ebank. But i-bank state, unless ezi-requestwe nge-section 205 ziyayibonisa.
Oh yeah, maybe. But as far as I know, they don't reflect Leo information, Leo. As far as
unless get 205.
Yes. 05, they put like a cover letter with all the information in something like that. So yeah.
Maybe that's why.
Ulerato says, hi, Bo, my sister. Hello. Umanda says, hi, Kwazi babe. Ubongekile says, mina ngingene ngayivo, sugar like. Thank you so much. Khweiti says, Noni and Kwazi, I'm in with my like. Please let us all knock with a like button. I was waiting patiently. Live, you must love my beautiful ladies. Thank you. TD, good afternoon, verbatisms. Unet, yo, did I not like quickly? Thank you very much. Auntie CK says, lovely to see you here. Hope you're doing well, okay? UCD says, bring them those likes. Okay. Upatient says, hello guys, just like the live. Guys, does Mapopola have an idea? But Vaseline has a plan.
I don't think so.
Did you hear that?
I don't think so.
Being Naya lawyer some fagger under the bus munch. That comment by lawyer.
Ibisini verbatism yayo kwazi. Yima before you do that. I think ngathi xa ndifuna ukufocusa. I saw people like all of us who do the Senzo Meyiwa case. I saw our names besibhala pha kwazi Noni M. Mzansi Reality, Mzansi Unfiltered, Bongani Masuku, Clantis Tumakude. Nazo, bekuyenzekalani guys sesenisibhalela lapha ezantsi benisikwazelani? Because I think focus lapho yini le bilungiswa because yenzeke shortly after uRamsipile spoke and then uBaloyi wa-responda. What exactly happened, guys, there? Ngibone ngathi sesisenjenje. Mpilenhle nawe ngikubonile. Bekusenzekalani?
Ama-corrections galo niyabaza ngithi.
Ngathi senzeni nkosi yami, senzeni why sibizwa lana ezincwadini ezingcwele.
But bebencoma, most of them were just complimenting the work that we are doing.
Or is it because of the comment Kabaloy? Because I was like, you never know with YouTube, guys.
Belinda says the girls of Guinea, Damolweni, Ziakala. Girls of Gininda.
Loudspeaker. Loudspeaker.
Umusa says, hey, naze nabahle siyabonga. Nolwandle says, mna shame ngikhathele ngulo Gininda ne-English yakhe. Umakasandra says, so they are using Stains 205. Obviously, because they cannot use Pink. Pink ibanikeza lento abayifunayo. Gininda's wives, Noni and Kwazi.
Angavuya. Thina yesilunge we don't nje asikwazi usubmita to his nonsense ngesilunge.
Usibongile says umsangano yodwa inkantolo kaRatha bazokhala uma sekubhekwana nalenhlaba abayixovayo. Hi Bosisi, hi Mandla. Hello Ned, Stevie, love you. Can we stop after Utsiri because we'll be able to pick it up because she's green so that we can start. La.
Okay.
Wanda M says, hello, Nate, TD, love you to bits. Missing a lot of lives lately. Okay, Alma says, yo, ngafabo, uma seni bahle kangaka. Cela ukuthumela omalume kusasa. Fast and in a hurry. Hello. Magasandra says, why is Rata not getting Danzi's bank statement and when did Danzi change his number? Okay, let's stop there and start with my proceedings for today. Guys, tell me why these people are making life so difficult for the accused.
Babenzeni vele.
Because tell me why umlungu. Hayi ngiyamthanda umlungu uyayikhulumela. Umlungu akanasikhathi sokuhleka into engahlekisi.
Did you see her here?
Her face is giving, I'm sick and tired of this nonsense. Get this sorted out now. Her face.
She's giving izobaceba lana eTVini uqebengu. Yima. Tell me. Ugininda, what does he have on Qebengu?
Huh?
Ugininda, what does he have on Qebengu? Clearly, something is going on there.
Together for a while, Schultz. There's no way.
There's no way.
Because remember, Uqebengu, when he was brought to court, he says he had no idea ukuthi uMncube was kept in solitary confinement. Do you guys remember that?
Yes.
Now all of a sudden uQebengu yena oyinkinga manje useyinkinga uQebengu ke manje. One, they want to see documents that a lawyer is given to his clients. They don't want the clients to read. What do you mean?
Did you see Rata's face?
But Urata umchazile today. Like for once it was giving, oh shit, we're so
what
exposed.
What nonsense is this?
Yeah, we're so exposed because nangumlungu uzosikhuluma isingisi ayibeke into njengoba injalo. Because umlungu uthi one bafuna ukubukana nama confidentiality what bafuna ukubuka information confidential between me and my clients, and I won't allow that. And I was like, yes, mlungu. Yes, girl. You go, girl. Ati two, abafuni consult. I'm having difficult, but they're not going to give me stress when it comes to consultations. I'm unable to consult when I try and make arrangements with these people. Okay, I understand that they are busy with a case. Let me sit with them after these proceedings so that I'm able to consult with them. Then it's to a note in a shaysango 4. Excuse us. Si shaysango 4. Ni shaysango 4. So all accused for never consult. Okay. Ni shaysango 4. I understand. As arrange for the weekend. Let's arrange for a weekend that I can come and consult. They ignore her. Why are they making life difficult for these accused?
Because it's something for 3 weeks, Kir.
Like why? Judge ruled ukuthi yena akazingeni an application must be brought. Now they are fighting the actual application. What in the hell?
Isn't it why Gininda Nobaloiba down? Because they actually never wanted the consultations to be done because their spirits this afternoon are not okay. Because Judge Rata ubuke umlungu, listened to umlungu, and gave ruling without even thinking about it.
Because he realizes that it's wrong. What they're doing is wrong, man. What they're doing is wrong. Yabona nje futhi leyo ukuthi abafuna ama documents kanjani ama documents fanele ayaqale CMX. Athi mfonele uGqebengu. Call him now. Call
No,
him now.
that one, he did not
I said,
understand the meaning of it.
yo, I love that. I love that. For once, I was like, okay, judge, is it because umlungu or? But hello, athi nje no call Gqebengu. Akafoneleki, mfoneleni Gqebengu nimtshele ukuthi ngithi.
Bengifuna enzela conference call sibe included.
Nani. And what I like the most is that this whole commotion is happening in front of Ukininde. Uthululalele izinto zakhe
I wanted to see his face. I wanted to see his face. Abone ukuthi this show off, this shit show, that's how his life is going to end.
Yo, I was so impressed with Judge Rata today. For the first time ever, I was impressed. I was impressed in the way that he was like, no, my
It
paper now
was
given. Yeah, fast. No, my paper, they need to be given. We don't even need to adjourn. And then two, indaba yokuthi athi the lady made I need to consult. Rata, how much time do you need? I love that. Yeah,
I was like, what?
I was like, Rata, who are you? Which Rata is this one?
Listen, I stood up. I was so happy because with that one, because I felt like, dear Lord, you are working with us here. Because
like,
this is going very fine.
I said, no. How much time do you need? I took Kelly 3 hours. That's okay. Man, no 3 hours, man, just over right. I said, okay, yebo. Kwasiwa sharp.
The entire situation was resolved now. Report now, resolved now.
I love that. I love that. I must say I'm impressed with the Judge Rata. I'm always saying bad things about Urata, but today I was impressed. Today that was being a judge.
That is why I always say uJudge Rata makayefuna angayenza I choose number 5 no 3 baphume kwi-solitary confinement, because angavela athi Judge Rata Mugwateng, I want these people to come to my court sober-minded. Put them with other people. Kuphela ukukhuluma athi as long as they will be in my court, I need them in sober mind state.
Naleyo ukuthi athi kusasa bafike before 9.
Uzwile nendlela ayisho ngayo.
Oh, athi the same time that you brought them into court today, and if they were early, please make sure you do that again tomorrow. I was like, Judge Rata, I'm loving you today. I'm sorry. I'm loving you today.
No, I like this judge. I like this judge. Even the way he was looking at Gininda while he was doing his evidence this afternoon.
Engathi akasayikholwa kahle indaba yakhe ne.
Ingathi ukuba nama umuntu akutshela something ikwazi ne, when someone is talking to you and is telling you something, you are looking at them like, oh okay, angiyakuzwa uyakhuluma mara amanga awani. He is giving me those vibes.
Ramusipili, guys, I've got a feeling Ramusipili is gonna come and bring fireworks during cross-examination this time.
And nesgaxa anaso.
Ramusipili is gonna surprise us. I've just got that feeling. Because tell me why yesterday withdrawile ngithi. What's yeah, we withdraw. I'll withdraw, but then I'll come with a bomb. Because I'm gonna go do my research and bring the record. Ramusipili yesterday I raised an objection. And it was on the issue of my cell phone abantu basendlini. Ngicela ukuthi siye kwi-record yangomhla 19 July 2023. Page ban, where Uzandi says phone gama was charging on the stove. Where Uzandi says on page 27, if phone yet deceased was under the stove. Not Ubaloyi saying, well, we were gonna get to that. we were gonna address that at the end. Unamanga.
Amakhulu wona. He is a lying bastard Ubaloyi.
Auntie Uchachi also you argue that. Yes, we'll argue. What will they argue?
They will argue that Uzandile Khumalo is not credible.
Your very own witness. Hi, is this Okala, guys? And then Jonas vele lo ade funa uku-interpreta insimbi ehlanyiswa love. Insimbi ehlanyiswa love. I think that is one of the parts that we missed yesterday. Kulo 30 minutes. Kulo 30 minutes lower after lunch. It's
Oh,
all over. Anyway, let's continue. What was interesting, namhlanje?
for me, Kwazi, I am still shocked that even after everything that has happened in the courtroom, ne? After Pinky has come, after Stain has come back, after House was here, okay, it was Stain, it was House, it was Pinky, then Stain was called again. So I am shocked for Gininda to again be chased out with, in fact, for even Baloy to lead Gininda on Stain's evidence. Jani, after it was clearly said that I choose number 5 never spoke to Kelly Kumalo, and I choose number 3 never spoke to Kelly Kumalo. Why are they still playing that game? I'm shocked. Okay, as if that is not enough. I am shocked that Ukininda is removing himself from everything else. Ustein told us that yena the data he got it from Ukininda. Mara Ukininda today yena uthi izinto uzithole kuStein. Kwenzekalani yangu vice versa manje? Kwenzekalani?
There was an interesting question that I don't know that you picked up on with regards to the diary entries, which I thought was very important. Because each judge lithi kule diary ubani oyibhala kule diary. And for some reason with diary ya Gininda, at the top it's Gininda's handwriting. In the middle, it's Mukhola's handwriting. And then at the bottom, it's Gininda's handwriting. What is that giving?
It's giving we were writing things for confessions.
It's giving that diary entry was not made on that day for me.
On that day of the
But
incident.
on the day he started writing Langa Pezu. But if you're saying to me, on the day that you went to go pick up Ispamu, wabhala. Umukhola wayekuphi ngoba umukhola wayengekho khathi niyolanda isibhamu nomangena. Ezinye izinto you need to like go deeper. Mukhola was not there when Kininda went to go pick up the gun with Mangena. So
No, she wasn't.
how is it that Ukininda starts writing information about going to fetch the gun, and then kube the information ya Mukhane in the middle, and then kube the information about Ukininda and the gun again at the bottom? It's information that he added. And plus
And
the
for Rata to pick it up,
diary entry and the diary entry, it's a copy. It's not the original diary. So we can't see Uguti it was the same pen. We can't see Uguti it was on the same day. But Urata saying, who wrote this? Gives me Rata is picking up with my handwriting our fine on the diary on the same day. Did you guys pick that up?
I heard Rata speaking about that, and I was so like Karata. Oh, Yakumbulu Ghostman did say, oh, Rata is giving hints of certain issues. Sorry. He is giving hints. He is.
Hayi yabo namhlanje uratha angazi kwenzeka angazi lo ratha esimthole namhlanje yabo lo ratha wanamhlanje
Ngulo esimthathe in and day out ukuthi kanti uJehova uzomlawula, not the other way around.
exactly.
Uye.
Oh, another thing that I put big stars next to that was like a red flag for me is the issue. Yeah, accused number 5. Who accused number 5? One of his bank statements. Kune address eti Emelo. Emelo, from my understanding, is Mpumalanga. And it also says Westleton. Did we not get a phone record for Sbia that says
Hey, with the ngithi.
Westleton? Now it's giving the phone records may have been
Swapped around.
with
Same
regards
thing eyenzeke kwi-calls zika Kelly Khumalo for I choose 5 and for yes, those calls kwenzeke that thing.
it's
The
giving.
question is now, is that Excel?
And Ukininda refuses to tell us what format uthi disk.
Hayi uyabona leyo, I was like, sir, idisk yi-storage kaloku, akuyo format.
Gininda Makai, ishayile. Ishayile Makai.
Wait, uthanda njani uGininda athrowe everybody under the bus? It's each man on their own apha ngokukwazi. Because uGininda uthi, I didn't know about the section 205 zika-IQ's number 3. Mna I got them from Ubaloyi. When Upinki was talking about them. Wait, wait, let's go back. Njani i-IO iyiyo ebringa izinto kwi-prosecutor ingayazi izinto ezikwi-docket? How? Make it make sense.
That's when I asked myself, how did you investigate your case? Because you have a suspect who has phone records that are talking specifically to the times in which you are focused on when it comes to this case. But you're telling me you didn't have that information. How did you investigate, Kinind? It's not possible. Ukuthi Unogwazi is a person of interest. There's cell phone records for Unogwazi for the days in which, for the specific day in which the incident happened, but you're telling us that you didn't have that information. Njani,
I don't believe him.
let me show you. He's saying that they did profiling. And when they did the profiling, they found Ugutu 3 was arrested in February, and they got section 205 from his other case. Is that not the same data?
It is.
Is that not the same data, my love?
It is the same. It's him who brought this whole things. Why now is he throwing Baloyi under? Uti, I only knew it when the advocates were speaking to Pinky this year. This year, did you hear that?
Hey, una mango kininda, una
Yo,
mango. And also another thing that
Ubalo is catching strays now. Ubalo is catching strays.
Exactly. Another thing that I picked up on is the issue Yama Polo. When he leads the evidence with regards to the polos, did you realize how with the first polo he didn't mention the registration?
No, he didn't.
But for the second one, he mentions the registration. Why?
Ubaleka nenyani.
Why? Ama hired cars wonke lawa. Anyway, yes. Basically, namhlanje, that was it, hey?
Mamela ke eyokugcina into mna endivele ngaphuma nayo ke namhlanje because there was nothing much. One thing engiphume nayo kwazi ukuthi kuba bonke laba bantu he is trying to portray or narrate a picture yokuthi this is how I profiled them. Ne? Fine, they told you profile 1 or profile 2, then 1 or 2 they did the confessions. Then when did you go and profile the mastermind? EP profile ka mastermind, EP warrant of arrest ka mastermind.
Exactly, because you profile these people based on the information that we're giving in confessions. Our profile. Ukheli Khumalo umprofile wagcinaphi?
Uphi yena neyakhe profile, iphi investigation kaKelly Khumalo because uprofile 1 no 2 bakunikeza ama-confession. Lawo that led you to 3, 4, and 5. You went and arrest them. Where is the mastermind? Where is the profiling of mastermind?
Exactly.
Yabana uGininda, I don't think right head office, guys. It can't be imedula yakhe. There's no way ukuthi iyasebenza. The other thing for me is his boldness, his confidence in his own lies. Sis,
he's a psychopath.
He is a psychopath who thinks that he's the only one who is smart. No, he is sick, guys.
Before Skubege, guys, new 321, a whole 300, and I'm like, so 176. Kanjan, ngicela like any live, guys. Ngicela like live so that sizoqhubeka sinikeze information irrelevant. Ngoba irrelevant le information ingakho nila. So ngicela like any live too before siqhubeke sifunda ama comments sinizwe ukuthi nithini kwama comment section. Please like. Asifikeni 200, asenze 200 before siqhubeke sifunda ama comments. Let's go, please.
And because the information irrelevant ile isetshenziswe court kwenziwe ngama corrections. Please guys, ningasithathi kancane.
Asomblief. Please like the live, guys. Abangazi ukuthi kulayikwa kanjani, 3 buttons at the top right of your phone. Just click on those 3 buttons. Pop up like the thumbs up button. Click lapho. Uma ukuthi ubuka kwi-laptop, minimizer i-video, uye lapha ku-like lapha eduze kwa-subscribe. Asomblief doch. And then Unoni will continue with the comments. Nazo-ke 200. Niyakwazi nje. Niyakwazi. Akuthi nje ngathi ngibuye nikhohle.
Ubongekile Ngcobo, yazi ngiyayizwa eyomlungu, can't wait ukufika kwambhedi ojikayo ngathi zimtororo. God. Umandla cooking gone wrong. Udumisani Rata has switched up. I wonder what's happening behind the scenes. All of a sudden he's acting like a judge. Today he was a judge. Chabalala, I love the hairstyle. Uzokweleza. Umamqwa. No, but I was the one to say it's beautiful. Nkosi Uniti, love you loads, family. Okay, guys. Usike, bank statements don't show that info, but they add a cover letter if it's an official request. Police don't have as much power as people believe. Okay.
Sense.
Okay. Unati, hello, beautiful ladies. Hello, Nati. Ubamise, looking good, ladies. Thank you so much. Nat Bamise uthi uma million. Awusende nje apha 100K. Uma million weswena. Ngiyacela. Yo. Ulerato, there is no evidence that places the VW Polo at the crime scene. Luto, sisi, there isn't. Godfrey Batong, not gigs, saying the phone records were done immediately after the incident on the 27th October 2014. Unamanga. Thina sinonjabulo unje sisixelela yonke into. Unamanga. Udumisani Gininda is tired of explaining, but what else can he do with any concrete evidence, without any concrete evidence? Wanda M, we are all big family and you keep us sane. Thank you, guys. Usakile, in essence, if Gininda says that Carlos Buteles is actually Carlos Mnube and Sifiso Zungu is Sifiso Ntuli based on his collaboration, it implies that Rata Mukwatleng is indeed Rata Baloy. I'm on the floor.
And actually, guys, they keep saying Sifiso, Sifiso. On accused number 5 is not Sifiso. His name is Fiso. Fiso Kushe. That's why his
Do you know how right you are, Kwazi? Do you know how right you are? Ukininda later on read his statement sika Fiso Kuhlentuli. What is igama elibhaliwe F Ntuli. So le nto ka Sifiso Kuhle bayithathapi?
It's Fiso Kuhle, Ufiso, Fiso, not Sifiso. Angimazi uSifiso bamthathapi. But anyway, asikho la.
At this point I felt like ngathi umshololo angaphakama okanye umnisi abuze umnisi athi ngicela ukubuza ngubani uCarlos Buthelezi mabathi ngu-accused number 3. Guys, which one ngomphilo umuntu esidila naye lana esidila ngaye nguCarlos Mncube, Gadla, whatever, Mthobisi Mncube, or sidila noButhelezi? Ubani? Ugilinda needs to be asked that question so that uyenza ibe clear.
Mina ngijahe nanokuthi bambuza ukuthi kwi-confession kaNtanzi njengoba ethi ufonelwe uMaphisa kukhona uMthokoziseni. uMthokoziseni noMaphisa, is it not the same person? Is it not one?
Is. Yay! Hayi Jehova ingcwele. Kodwa sakhile waze wangiqeda lapho. uJerry, hi Jerry, uMandla besifuna sibone ukuthi uGininda unamanga. Hayi sibonile shem. uChonko, hi sisi ziyakhala, zikhala ziku-loudspeaker. uChabala, let us welcome the Kupuka Gininda Brigade. Niyawazi ama-toilets enu aphi. You know what to do. Umatselangi, hi. uBenny, looking beautiful lady. Send me location to send you guys flowers.
Nyantshontshana nina.
Nifuna ukusintshontsha Benny. No.
I-e-wallet ngithengela imbali.
Yeah, send u-e-wallet singamthatha.
Please.
Yo, into enkulu kangaka Benny, soyika. Le case i-dangerous Benny, i-very dangerous.
I can send you my banking details. Usende then ngizoyithenga imbali ngikukhombise le.
Yeah. Hi, Gugu. Uthini lo mkhufefo uChico about the statement? Which statement? Ukhulumile. uChico saqedela ukuzwa ngayo before kukhuya isifiso kwi-Magri podcast. Asikaze saphinda samuzwe ekhuluma.
Wathula wathi tu.
Wathula wathi du. Angiqondi ngoku uzawuphinda akhulume mhlawumbe if something else imphazamisile, especially after umama kaSenzo em-outile kanjeyana. Angiqondi uzophinda akhulume.
Umuntu ozongibuzela uma kaSenzo uthi niyafonelana yani no-Bru.
Ugugu, hello, Gugu. Ulerato, South Africa has many grey VW polos. How does this prove that the so-called grey polo was the one used when the crime was committed? Good question.
And
Do we sorry.
Lezi imoto lezi are from 2016. What guarantee do you have that he was driving the same car in 2014? A hired car at that.
Utsidi, we are well, sis Auntie CK Moyo. I know Nitiwa is well too. I see her at the early morning gang. Thank you. We Agnisha Sandman Sawbona Sisunjani. Uchabalala Gininda has a lot of corruption files on Kaibengu and other correctional services guards Bapaya. Yo! Hi, Sana, it looks like he does have something on him. Ubongani, because the judge Rata has what he needs because black lawyers has white lawyer. I'm not hearing what this person is trying to say. Bongs and Guzutin.
I think uthi uJudge Ratha namhlanje uthole into ayifunayo, a white lawyer, because I'm a black kind of thing.
Yeah, okay. Imisebenzi ikagininda to make it difficult for the accused and our mlungu. Ay, Nkosi yami. Uhlengiwe mazibuko yey uRatha uthuswe umlungu qha umnisi wemvula ujonga umnisi.
And ungichazile because he was like, angifuni ukumkhulumela, akasukuma ekhulumela umlungu. Ngathi yes.
Uyifuna verbatism.
Yebo. Verbatism.
Uyifuna verbatism umnisi on record verbatism. Hey guys, uyifuna verbatism. Ugininda ngasimoshi. Wanda Ratha knows very well that when umlungu complains to LPC zizokhala for yena. Okay. Ukoskorizer, why judge is interested on section 209 of Criminal Procedure Act? There is something familiar with this case. I'll pause here for now. No. Uratha is always throwing. You know those people abathanda name dropping all the time. He is a dropper of sections that can make you scared. Unjalo. That's him. Umlangeni ama-intruder agolozayo. Ama-intruder awalike emlangeni batshele. Uchabala, this thing yamlungu has got this ngempahla zasebukhwe. Yeah, because
Ngicela indaba engayibuzanga guys.
Yes.
Like. Yazi, yabona uWalter. uWalter ufika akhuluma nonsense. But yazi ukuthi uWalter is part of my membership, guys. Cela ungixoxele. uWalter purchased membership on my channel. Okay? So it's not all intruders that don't like. Some of them do like. Ngicela ukunixoxela.
Uzobophisa uWalter ngebhosi yakhe wena. Izokumbuza uyenzelani leyo nto. Unebhosi phela uWalter no-M nobani bonke. Sho, yaze yankulu indaba isigaxa Walter.
Yebo.
Uthini the thing yalo mlungu has got this ngempahla. No, the way they were so down this afternoon, they really did not like what Judge Ratha did. They are not happy at all. Usakhile Mr. Ramusipile effectively dismantled Zandile Khumalo's evidence in the courtroom. And guess what? Zandile Khumalo uyayibukela case, but then again, unfortunately, she's an empty head. She won't understand what was that and what it meant.
Akho lutho. Ku blank.
And I am extremely proud of Mr. Rams for standing his ground. Yes, Saikile, yes. And hey, you Balo and Gininda not pleased today. They were not pleased at all. Utsiti, he respects Abelungu nje, kodwa ke we give him his flowers. Yes. As long as uyenze into right, it doesn't matter how it came, but uyenzile qha. Josephina, that is why Mgomezulu stay at home, because this judge gave him lots of stress. Angazibona sekambambe ngebhatyi ebomvu the way amdinisa ngakhona. Uchabalala. And everything is on record. True. UCD 228. Okay, that was then. Aisha, God did wonders today in Gorata and in that courtroom. Guys, let's continue doing the morning prayers. Ziyasisebenzela. Because this week nje, lokho sithola ama-surprise amnandi nje. Abantu nathi singawaqondi. It can only be God. It can, because niyibizani lento yale postponement ye 3 hours. Because uba lo ebebhizi izolo ephushela ukuthi mabaqede namhlanje so that tomorrow kuqale i-cross examination. That's what he wanted. And bebezophushela ukuthi i-cross examination kaMngomezulu yenziwe ngumnisi. Do you know that?
Yamkhumbula ujudge washo ukuthi umuntu, when a person is standing in, you would expect ukuthi they'll fill in lowo muntu mengekho. So I'm glad. I'm actually really glad.
Uyehova
Singing.
Hello Tiani. Hello guys. I knew I'll find you here. Ubabalwa, hello Ubabalwa, Umandla Maphumulo. Kuphelile nge-team state. Come Monday during cross-examination from defense. Manayike, speaking of that, Mandla. Kwazi, banqabile kwi-comment section ka-YouTube. Abasekho that, kuna this certain account. Mara the random people, abasekho baningi. Or is it me?
Hayi, true. Sekugcwele laba abaspamayo, laba
Yes.
eyodwa kaningi, and uthola ukuthi umuntu oyi-1 or 2.
Ugcwele bona only. Hello Francie.
Phelile imali le ade beba-bribe ngayo.
Iphelile. uLorenzo weni zombona ku-cross examination akhe simbuke. Ewe sizambuka. Simbekela ilihlo judge. Uchabalala, knock 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 on prison's door. It's me Kininda singing in Lady Smith Black Mabass. uLorenzo ujudge angimthembi. No, nama angimthembi ujudge, mara uJehova ngiyamthemba. Ijaji lona ngilithembi. Ijaji lisezocula iculo lokuthi nama angazi kwenzekeni, mara ngibone ngingabafindanga guilty. Suwara ngaleyo part. Umlungwana Jer, hi beautiful ladies. I foresee Brigadier having difficulties during cross-examination. He will be relying on the prosecutor to assist. I foresee that. Hope Mutsepe, Rata sold out Gininda Pela. Gininda is the one who held accused 3 and 5 in solitary confinement for so long. Maybe akasayingeni indaba yakhona. Godfrey, ladies.
Yeah, I think another thing that's actually pressing on the judge is all the media interviews that are happening in regards to solitary confinement. Yabo yonke lama conversation lawa leke khulunywa kuthiwa solitary confinement in South Africa is illegal according to the Correctional Service Act of ban, I think 2003 or 2008. That thing, it's weighing heavy on the judge. It's weighing heavy on the judge.
Did you see what else is happening on the media? Judge Hlophe put a complaint about judge Muhweng. Dlalwa lapha phandle wonke umuntu akafuna guess what? Judge Muhweng unjengo-judge rathi uretayarishile.
Hayi kuzoshuba.
So akekho umuntu ofuna kudlalelwe kuye kanjalo. uTsidi, okay wait, Godfrey, ladies, what is the document that was written by Ninda and Mukhola and signed by Mangena?
It's the entry with regards to the chain of custody of the gun, the one that he wrote in his diary.
Okay. Utsidi, I suspect he had us early after midnight when we were saying he didn't have to withdraw that for the very reasons he mentioned. I think so. Egner, I'm sure he's having a standard bank statement that shows whereabouts of Ntanzi that day. No, we got that on a reliable source. That is why they never touched that statement, because sona sichaza siyambelana nomlomo kaNtanzi. Uyabaqaphela basho nje ukuthi une-account yesibini yase-Standard Bank, mara it was never read. Uyakhumbula? But i-account abafocuse kuyo ka-Capitec. Apparently, the Standard Bank one is the one that has the things that are reporting things. Iska. Usipho Midagriele Apama like Bakiti. Patience, I will really enjoy. I really enjoyed Rata. Ulindiwe molweni mamqwathi nomantombelani bahle sana siyabulela Lindy. Usidi stains evidence that still left us confused second time. I didn't understand why the defense were quiet. No, I felt like why right babayeki. Because we dealt with that, it's on record. So it's fine, mabamye kuba lo agribe. And then when they are dealing with Ukininda, bazawuthi I put it to you. Ayikho le nto ithethayo because the whole section ekhuluma ukuthi I choose number 5 spec to Kwelikuma uthi u-PDF wase-Vodacom, it never happened. So why are you still adamant that it's the same? Uxoli uthi Steyn was just the worst. Uchabala Sobalo is forced to discredit his other witnesses because his case now depends on this star's ZCC. Godfrey, what was interesting for me was Ging saying Zone 14 ML of Ontulu, and guys, I understand there's no such address. Oh my God, the game in Kelly plus Ntuli's call, I think the point they were trying to put is that they didn't know about Pinky's statement. Kininda said he worked with what he had. Unamanga, nonsense. Ulerato, this case is weak or nothing without the confession. Hence, they tortured I choose 1 and 2. I mean, we have WhatsApp call in 2014. WhatsApp calls started in March or April 2015. BPM calls, no BPM phones. Uxoli, I'm not sure about Rata. I don't trust him. No, we don't trust Rata, guys. We trust God. And I thought maybe Zone 14 Emelo is a street in Johannesburg, Godfrey. When Emurata heard about Enigma, he is shaking in his boots. Hello, Danny, Gugu. Wesselton is in Emelo, Mpumalanga, correct, Kwazi. Nozuko, into abazoyiboshwa, bazozibona, udokasi. Make me understand, ukininda uthi umthokoziseni and maphisa njani manje. Umuntu ayiwali ke loyo. Uzobona laba bathi unquma lo inini uzombona makahlaphaza ugininda ngaso nizobona kahle. Usipho washo uMadikela emkhulekweni wathi change him Lord, may he never know what change him, speak and rule through his tongue. Washa, thank you Lord for the answered prayers. And usezoyiphendula. We don't trust Rata, guys, we trust God. Utsi, the switch around to fit number 5, the disk was downloaded to Excel. That's why we need his own role. That is why he will never say, because mabembuza ukuthi format athi yena disk, it's because akafuni ukuthi Excel.
I-disk yake yabe yi-format.
Akafuni ukuthi Excel kaloku. Guys, the 313 people, 264 likes. Come on. Lydia, yes, you are late. Uchabalalo Mqumeni died 13 December 2009 on my birthday. In 2012, there was a fake Mqumeni, but he died 6 months after claiming to be Maskandi Mqumeni that year. Gininda, how did these people kill Senzo? Bavuka ekufeni. Ubabalwa yibana mna bethu akusavanwa Gininda nobaloyi. It looks like it may be by an actor. Uthulisile, not the IO calling fiso kuhle Ntuli sifiso kuhle. Uqinelwe lilwimi. France, yes, there's no Zone 14 MLO. I just checked the register of towns and Google Maps says no. Yo, Umandla, it's true the accused were tortured. They just signed the confessions. Utsidi, El Shaddai Adonai, there's none like you, none can be compared to you. These discs, not the ones that were corrupted, the defense could not download. Chances are. Usecha, hello Secha, uskarswe naklamalanga. Good day, Noni and Kwazipe. I'm a bit late for this content, but I'll continue until the end, then rewatch from the beginning. Thank you so much. Umandla, Polo is white, Polo is grey. Which one is this one, Gininda? Uma Umphahlwa Who did Gininda didn't know? Answer was I. Got it from Baloy. So Baloy was the IO, guys. It's possible there was hands on, and maybe he was hands on. Maybe they were counting on Pinky to mislead the court. The way they are. Gininda is lost, utsho uLydia. Ayikwazi ngicela uqhubeke mntase.
Alma says, does Maloy remember that Stain said he was with him when cooking the 205s? Why not use that instead of Pinky? Instead of Pinkies, instead of Stains, uzobabophisa lona. WS says 4 years solitary confinement is proof that accused were tortured. Defense must not leave that out. That's true. Manda says Gininda thinks he is Mr. Know-it-all. Lapo bedan. CD says, hello, my sister Lydia. I have not seen you in a while. Okay, Ngobze says, ingane zabaloyi asoze zilike bakithi. Patience says, hi Noni wethu, kwazi wethu. Ladies, did you hear Rata yesterday when he was urging with Mshololo? He sounded like a crazy donkey, allegedly. Uwanda says, yes, WS. Dan says, can I ask? Yes, you can ask Dan. Is Dawole. Don't compliment Rata too much. Tomorrow, believe me, he will be a changed man. He is going to receive a call from JP and remind him of the mission. Sega says, Wisdom as well. Thank you so much, Sega. Alma says, Yay me, nazi dum dum. Faga nama likes. Can't you even appreciate the beauty here today? Let's see. This says, bring the ask, brother Dan. Ukoli says, I like for the first. Okay. WS says, why Rata acted so fast? I like that he did. Azania says, Mamwati, ukhona umgqezulayo apha endlini.
He won.
Unolwandle says, you are correct, guys. Ugininda yipsycho, uyagula the way yaxoka ngayo. Fran says, what, guys? Breaking news and new evidence. Gininda confirmed he discussed the case with the state advocate for Pinky's preparations to come and testify. He repeated this twice, and Baloyi was stopping him. Ubabalwa says, Noni, please don't
stop, I think.
Oh, don't stop morning prayers. Ayasebenza. Mdase. Yabona bathengisana bodwa. Ulindiwe says, hi, wenza njani? Ulaika ku-TV. Pressa nge-remote mpemu. Pressa nge-remote mpemu. Uyabona nje, la kunama dots. Even if you're watching on TV, there's those 3 dots at the bottom of the video. And then it pops up and then kuvela the thumbs up button. That thumbs up, iyona like. Gininda is denying that Section 205 from Vodacom now. Holes and Stain are in deep mess. Maphakathwayo. Sakile, Gininda's only action was to acquire the bank records of the accused to contradict alibi. Yet he failed to undertake further investigative measures and disappointing performance for someone of his position. That's very true. Wanda says, indeed, WS, this is spot on. That's a good one. CD says, that's the reason people are beginning to wonder where Gininda comes from, because even a Swati would know Sifiso and Fiso Buhle are different names. Your legend, he said Sifiso Zungu. Ubonga says, by 2 omthogo that were with Zungu. Siyadibana story.
Ngiyakhumbula.
Leponza says, hi, girls. Hi, Leponza. Nosicelo says, molweni zintombi zam. Sendayeka ukuyibukela le case. Sendincedwa yini enkosi mamqwathi ngomthandazo wakho. Kusasa ndaziva ndomele kwilizwi Portugal. Okay, Alma says, yes, he commented on 405. I saw a video yakhe with Xoli Ngambi. Is that Chico? I think it's Chico.
Oh.
CD, at one stage, Fisokuhle is Zungu and Tuli. What is what? Mube is Buthelezi. We can't leave this confusion going on. Defense, please clear this before cross-examination. Is it not Noche? Where are you guys from? We are from South Africa. Leponte says, Mnisi is the man. Utidi says, Wilson Dlovu causes chaos on purpose. I mean, I've noticed that. Dan says Walter is spying on you. I know all of his user accounts. I remember you mentioned ukuthi Walter is the other one. Khona the other one now on the YouTube. Useka says gang Ninda never investigated anything. He only read the documents for conclusions. That's true. Nangu sekangena uGininda surely ufunana noNdlovu kwazi. Okay, TD says we shall start cross-examination on Monday with Mgo in the house. Let's continue with the intercessions without ceasing. We bet says prayer works, guys. That's true. Sasi says zithandwa zami abantu abalike. Yes, like honey, guys, we're almost at the same number of viewers as likes. Tembelani says hi, ladies. Margaret says should Gininda win this case, the 2% must be a match and allowed with DNA and maintenance codes.
Xolo kancinci, uPatience Sibanda, I think awumbonanga. 2% on cross-examination, it will be raining subsequently. Corroborate, my lord. Continue.
Askisi, Patience, I skipped your comment. Phil Shongwe says Holy Ghost fire to Ama 666 Ratabalo Yenkini. Umandla says bye ladies. Ishayile bye Mandla, thank you for joining. Princess says Urata uya basaba belungu. That's true. Sinqobile says love the way Kwazi Bay said she won't be able to do lives anymore, but she's here. Yeah, this week it's been a good week. It's been a good week. Usipesihle says kusazoba mnandi kakhulu. Ubonga says I rewatched the testimony of Zungu. He said uCarlos ngumfana kaButhelezi.
True.
He did mention that, but under what circumstance is he at Buthelezi? It was just to corroborate this nonsense that they're trying to bring here. But anyway, we have read all the comments today.
And we have come to the end and the conclusion of today's live, guys. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you coming through. May you have a wonderful day. If you are not there by Ghostman, then I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. If you are there by Ghostman, Ghost Ladies Live, I'll see you at 6:30. Mantombela ngizokubona nge6:30. Thank you so much. I'll see you 6:30 and then tomorrow on our live on your channel.
Alrighty, bye.
Bye-bye, guys.